Click A axis. Click A in the button. Make the A axis turning. Remove the 4 screws and remove the round knife cutting head. So you can move out the round knife. Install the round knife for the machine. Fix the screw and install the cable for the round knife. Install the head. Fix the screw, tight the screw for the round knife cutting head. Click A to turn in the A-axis direction and find the different screw and fix them. After finishing install the round knife, click A-axis reset. And these directions will be the correct one. Be careful. If the directions angles is not correct, the cutting will be problem. Debug. Debug. Reset. Axis reset. A axis reset. Yeah.